It is a catch-22 situation for the country as it hurries up to reduce her ballooning public debt, but is at the same time finding herself allocating more cash than recommended to repay the debt. In the 2017-2018 financial year, 34.7% of revenue collections will be used to repay the public debt, against the recommended threshold of 30%.
We urge the government to keep an eye on these indicators to ensure that sufficient resources are allocated to debt servicing without compromising resources meant for service delivery.
Accountants note that debt interest and redemption for the same period is projected at 621.8 billion shillings, up from 46.5 billion shillings in the current financial year, primarily due to the maturing of several loans. This is a red flag, especially if KRA fails to meet its revenue collections target.
Our debt interest and redemption for the 2017-2018 financial year is projected at 621.8 billion Kenya shillings, rising from 466 billion in 2016-2017. So you can clearly see a lot of money being allocated to service our debts. And again, as we were saying earlier, it's already constrained when you compare the amount of money that is spent on servicing debt vis-a-vis the revenue that we are collecting.
Accountants are also concerned with the delay in finalizing their audit and verification assets belonging to counties 5 years since the process began, and fears that being closer to another election cycle, the exercise may not be completed.
Establishment of an integrated national and county assets register to prepare an interim register of liabilities and assets for the 47 counties in collaboration with the Office of the Auditor General. The Institute is concerned that it's now 5 years since this process began, and the closer to another election cycle, the process remains incomplete. The situation has created loopholes which could be capitalized by exiting elected officials to pilfer public assets during the election period and beyond. And some of the susceptible assets include land, which can easily be transferred to people who don't have the right to own the land.
ISPAC says there is need to improve absorption of development expenditure to create more jobs and improve service delivery. Nicholas Ndwati, News Hour Business.